In a dramatic dance, every creature is immersed in the battle for survival, constantly adapting to the harshness of nature. Cunning and powerful predators, as if guided by a divine force, terrifying and astonishing encounters. Welcome to the secrets of the Amazon. Encounter the most fearsome predators. Among the tall trees of the Amazon rainforest, small but one creature skillfully glides down the branch as if this place has been its territory since the beginning of time. It is the pygmy spring monkey, scientifically known as pygmy calotrax, belonging to the Calitrichae family. In the deep environment of the Amazon rainforest, the pygmy monkey chooses to live mainly in the treetops, where food is easily found and threats from predators lurking on the ground are avoided. Small but full of vitality, the pygmy monkey has extraordinary adaptability, allowing it to resist with strength in one of the richest and simultaneously harshest ecosystems on the planet. TT monkeys belong to the New World primate group. Originating in South America and other nearby rainforest areas in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, the TT monkey is the smallest primate, with a length of only 12 to 15 centimeters and a weight of approximately 100 to 140 g. So small that it fits snugly in the palm of a hand, but within that tiny body beats a strong heart full of patience and resistance, a gift from nature to help you survive in such a challenging environment. With brownish-gray fur, thin white or pale yellow stripes on the head, and bright black eyes, the TT monkey melts easily among the cold graying foliage of the forest. Their small ears with soft white downy hairs look like crowns placed by the creator, giving her a mischievous and adorable smile. Monotony has a tail almost as long as its own body. This not only helps maintain its balance, but also allows agile movement through the dense forest. This tail is a gift from the creator, allowing it to survive in the high treetops, a place where only the most skilled climbers can. Unlike many other primates, TT monkeys have claws instead of nails, allowing them to grip the bark of the trees and climb easily in the forest. Thanks to this special adaptation, they can move smoothly between branches without leaving the forest, providing both food and safety. The TT monkey does not live alone, always moving in small herds, usually in family groups from 3 to 10 individuals in each group. Mother and father together take care of the young, teach them how to survive in the jungle, and protect them from outside threats. Despite its size, the TT monkey is a highly social and very intelligent primate. They communicate with each other through small calls, messages that echo throughout the jungle, often used to warn of predator presence or to announce the location of food sources. These sounds allow them to stay connected in the dense jungle where visibility is limited by thick vegetation. Matatiti not only eats fruits and insects, but has a special ability to gnaw tree bark to obtain sap, a basic source of nutrition during times of food scarcity. Besides sap, they hunt insects, spiders, and other small animals, diversifying their diet and providing them with the necessary energy to survive. Thanks to their small size and excellent agility, they become effective predators, easily catching prey in the treetops. As omnivores, marmoset monkeys play an important role in seed dispersal through their feces, helping maintain plant diversity of the Amazon ecosystem and contributing to the natural regeneration of this rainforest. Although small Matatiti faces many dangers in the wild, predators such as birds of prey and snakes lurk in the forest, waiting for the right moment to strike. Whenever they face a threat, the speed and agility of Matatiti are evident. Matatiti also has a short gestation period, about 4.5 months, and often gives birth to twins. After birth, the young are cared for by all group members, allowing them to quickly learn how to forage and protect themselves in the competitive environment. This reproductive strategy is an important factor allowing the species to persist, and in the Amazon rainforest, a challenging and ever-changing game. Located in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon River is not just an endless flow of water, but also an important source of nutrients for millions of species. With a diameter of approximately 209,000 m super index, 3 streams of water flow into the corpse every second. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. With a total length of about 6,400 kilometers, it can be compared to the Nile River. It is currently stronger than any other river on the planet. The ecosystem of the Amazon River hosts about 3,000 species of freshwater fish, representing around 20% of all freshwater fish species in the world. The underwater vegetation of the Amazon River is extremely diverse. From small forms to the giant water lilies of the Amazon, the triumph of the Amazon, a plant of the region. These plants not only provide a rich food source for aquatic life, but also play an important role in the stability of water quality and preventing erosion, thus protecting the ecosystem. As a sign of the Creator's kindness, the Amazon River continuously provides life by supplying water, regulating the climate, and serving as a refuge for countless species, from small fish to impressive flooded forests. Beneath the dark waters of the Amazon, a powerful predator sowls fear among all creatures around him. It is the black cayman. Its scientific name is Melanosuchus niger, an ancestor along the Amazon basin. From Brazil to Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, and Bolivia, Living in rivers, lakes, and swamps in the Amazon rainforest where calm waters and flooded areas are ideal shelters and hunting grounds. The black cayman belongs to the Alligatoridae family, a group of crocodiles distributed mainly in South and North America. Its origin traces back to ancient crocodiles that appeared at the end of the Cretaceous period about 80 million years ago. The ancestors of this species lived in the area now known as South America when the freshwater ecosystem was forming in the Amazon basin due to the uprising of the Andes Mountains about 11 million years ago. The black cayman adapted to these changes, becoming the main predator in the rivers, lakes, and swamps of the Amazon. The black cayman is the largest member of the Alligatoridae family and also the largest crocodile in South America. With a length that can reach from 5 to 6 meters and a weight exceeding 400 kilograms. As its name suggests, the black cayman has black skin, allowing it to easily hide in the darkness, avoiding detection by prey or by other predators. The black cayman has an extremely powerful jaw with a bite force of up to 3,700 psi, comparable to the larger saltwater crocodile. Its sharp teeth allow it to easily crush bones and take down large prey. To survive in the complex surroundings of the Amazon River, the black cayman has developed several important biological traits. It has the ability to regulate its body temperature to adapt to seasonal changes in the aquatic environment. During the rainy season, the black cayman migrates to flooded areas to hunt, while in the dry season it seeks deeper water areas to hydrate and rest. What makes the black cayman special is its outstanding swimming ability and its unique strategies for catching prey. The black cayman is an extremely patient hunter, often staying in the water with only its eyes and nose above the surface, patiently waiting for prey to come close enough to attack. In the Amazon ecosystem, the black cayman is not only a formidable predator but also plays an essential role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling the population of its prey, helping to prevent certain species from overpopulating and maintaining biodiversity in the area. The black cayman is an important indicator of the health of the Amazon freshwater ecosystem. Their presence in numbers reflect water quality and ecosystem stability. When black cayman populations decline, it is often an alarm signal of ecosystem degradation due to pollution or resource overexploitation. Carrying secrets from ancient times, the Amazon freshwater stripes are among the unique species that have adapted to a challenging freshwater environment. Their ancestors were sea stripes trapped in the rivers as sea levels dropped about 15 to 20 million years ago. This species evolved to adapt to freshwater with the ability to regulate osmotic pressure and retain salt in their bodies. Freshwater stripes also have thick skin and camouflage coloration, allowing them to blend with the riverbed. The species Potamotrodon modero is particularly prominent, known for its distinctive round spots. One of its most remarkable features is the venomous sting on its tail, which can measure up to 35 centimeters and serves as a defense mechanism. Freshwater stripes also use special electrical sensors to view their environment, allowing them to detect prey even when visibility is limited in murky waters. During the flood season, they migrate to flooded areas to breed and feed, playing an important role in the Amazon ecosystem, continuing to balance and provide nutrients for other species.